welcome back to Karina Rabin Fitness channel. It's Friday. It is check in with your coach day. If you're new here, please do me a favor, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you thought of today's workout that's about to go down. We're about to go down. It is leg day. Ooh, my camera shot is already pretty level. It is Friday. It's leg day. We're going to be using hand weights, wrist weights if you have them. Jen, they're on their way. We're probably going to use some bands. We're going to do a new challenge. Oh, I forgot my calendar. That's okay. We're going to do a new challenge starting today. This challenge is a strength challenge just to force you to get stronger. That's all this is about. It is to just get stronger, upper body, abs, legs, glutes, and in 30 days, we're going to compare to day one to see how much stronger you have gotten. For those of you who are new to the Eat Your Way to Fit group and fitness plan, this challenge started on a Tuesday because of Labor Day. So for you, it is day 4, but technically for the new group that will be forming next month, it is day 5. This video will be edited. I'm trying to record the videos for a new group so that way I don't have to do it again, and that way I have an audience. I really, really thrive when I am live with you. Just like you guys who come live, you prefer to work out live with me, and I love to talk live to you too. Just like sometimes it's hard for you to work out with a recorded workout, I totally get it. It's hard for me to record a video without having anyone to listen. So I have the exact same problem. So this is much easier for me. Okay, so let's pretend it's day 5. Okay. Anyway, try not to talk to you right now. Okay, so day 4, day 5. This is the day that you are inspired and encouraged to check in with your coach. You check in the group, or you check in by sending me an email, but you have to check in. I am not going to chase you to see how your week was. That is your responsibility for you as an adult to check in with your mom. On Monday, I asked you to set up a goal. I always encourage you to set up a small goal, which is work out twice a week, work out 3 times a week, work out once a week, work out 10 minutes, 5 times a week, whatever that is that you are going to focus on to make sure that you add that goal into your day, just like brushing your teeth. And if you haven't scheduled it yet and you still had struggles finding a way, then you need to put it in your calendar, put it in your phone, put it somewhere, put a yellow Post-it on your wall, in your kitchen, in your closet, wherever, so you will see it to remind you what you agreed and what you said you want to do. Okay? Then on Fridays, we review that goal that you created on Monday. So if you created a goal on Monday to lose 5 pounds this week, that's not a goal. That is why I also created a goal workbook for you that's in the Eat Your Way to Fit guide, so you can learn how to create a small goal. Because a lot of you I'm still seeing are creating these big goals. Oh, I'm going to track in MyFitnessPal for 7 days. Oh, I'm going to eat off the meal plan every single day. Come on, people. No, you're not. I'm not new here. No, you're not. No, you are not going to do that, because that is just way too big, especially for someone who is just starting out. That is very difficult to do. My book is filled with so much information because we're all different people. And there are some people who can commit to such a big goal, but then there are some people who cannot commit to such a big goal. But I made this book for a majority of people. It is up to you, though, to choose how you want to create your fitness lifestyle. So if you're someone who is brand new and has never eaten chicken before, then it's best for you to take baby steps and for you to choose what you can actually commit to. I do not know your life. I do not know where you work. I do not know if you work. I do not know how many hours you work. I do not know how long it takes you to get to work. I don't know if you're a full-time mom, if you're an empty nester. I don't know anything about you. You are on the other side, and I cannot see your life. Only you know your life. So you need to open up my book and open up the plan and decide what is best for Jessica. I don't think we have a Jessica in the group. So what is best for Jessica? What will Jessica agree to do in her life to keep going forward because she said she wants to get fit? Make sense? Right? So maybe your goal could be eating healthy breakfast every day. Or maybe it's lunch. Or maybe you don't even track in MyFitnessPal because I know MyFitnessPal is a pain in the you-know-what. And you do not need to track in MyFitnessPal if you do not want to. But then you cannot be adding bread or potato chips into your day because that's not on the list of allowed foods. So in order to change this process for you and make it really quick, you have to eat from the allowed food list only. Once you smash the goal of just eating the food from the list and not adding bread and pasta and sausage and yogurt and regular milk and Coca-Cola into your day, then it'll be easier. And eventually you will be able to eat those things. I had good 3 glasses of wine last night and some cheese, and I had 2 crackers. But I also ate chicken before, and I worked out yesterday, so I feel really good about my night last night. I was even really excited to get on the scale today. Genevieve, are you there? I was really excited to get on the scale today, and I got on the scale, and the batteries are dead. So it said nothing. So disappointed. I had a really good week. I ate tuna this week. I ate tuna salad all day, every day, except for dinner. I got rotisserie chicken and had rotisserie chicken. Okay? For those of you who did not lose weight today, I also want to remind you that Thursday night, it is suggested not to eat anything that is not on the food list. So because if you eat something that's high sodium and you had a really good week, that sodium will be retained with the water in your body, and when you get on a scale Friday morning, it's going to look like you didn't lose any weight because of the high sodium, high big dinner you may have had last night. So I always recommend just wait for that fun food to be eaten after Thursday, okay? For those of you who are not working out with me every single day, I also want to invite you and inspire you to check out every single week's workout, because I always give you a little speech in the beginning. Sometimes I do a little speech at the end. So if you need one, please go to the link every single day and watch the first 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or however long it takes me to talk until somebody just hits me over the head and says, shut the heck up and let's work out. Okay? Any questions? Tahira, I saw your post. Maybe we should talk, because girlfriend, you work out so hard. All of you, this is for all of you, not just Tahira. Listen, because I did this for 23 years. I went to the gym. I did the treadmill for hours. I worked out so hard. I thought I ate good, and then I'd get on the scale and nothing happened. And then I gotta look back, and that was a lot of hard work to exercise. So if you are here with me, sweating, grunting, screaming, and you have a goal to hit, to go under, your number, then girl, we gotta look at the food and see what is going on, because you're so close. You're so close. What is it? What's holding you back? Are you not eating enough chicken? Are you still adding some processed foods? Like what is going on that you are so close, but you can't get over that hump, right? So let's find that hump so you can go into the next phase of your fitness journey. Make sense? Right? If you're not tracking, it would help to track to see what is holding you back. That's what's so good about tracking, because it's visual. And a visual is really, really helpful. I'm very visual. All right. That's all I got for you, Genevieve. Good morning. Did you hear how I said I got on a scale? I was so excited and it was broken. Oh, shoot. I don't have any water. Shoot. What's that? Oh, my God. I don't have any water. No water. No water. Mommy, no water. Oh, my God. My filter here broke. If anybody wants to ask me any questions while I get water. Oh, shit. I broke my water bottle. My filter is broke in my room. So there's no water. I keep forgetting to use kids' water. This is my BCAAs I use. BCAA from Extend. This is a watermelon brand. For those of you who are having these problems, I put Benefiber into my BCAAs and then I mix it up. Benefiber is 0 calories. Some fiber companies have calories and sugar and carbs in their products. So what I do is I take a scoop to put in my water, but there's already fiber mixed in here. So it's a 50-50 BCAAs and fiber that goes into my water, so I'm drinking fiber all day long, so then you don't have any you-know-what problems. Make sense? So if you guys are having any issues with that, you might want to do that. You've been adding processed food. Yeah. Tahira, get rid of that processed food. Wait till Friday. It's just so short term. It's short term. This is not forever. Right? You do understand this is not forever. It's very short term. I forgot my waist straightener. Okay. You guys ready to get started? Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.